Are you looking to promote your next event using LeadPages but don't know where to start? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can effectively use LeadPages for event promotion, including some tips, drawbacks, and even alternatives that might work better for you. Stick around because by the end, I'll be sharing an exclusive offer to get your hands on a longer free trial of LeadPages, along with some competitors that might suit your needs even better. Let's start with the basics. LeadPages is a tool that makes creating landing pages for your events easy. The platform allows you to choose from a wide variety of templates designed specifically for event promotion, so you don't need to start from scratch. The first thing you'll want to do is pick a template that matches your event type. Whether it's a conference, webinar, or a local meetup, you can find something that looks professional and is proven to convert. Next thing, customization. Once you've picked your template, it's time to personalize it for your event. LeadPages gives you an easy drag and drop editor, allowing you to add your event details, like dates, speakers, and location, along with any registration forms. This is where LeadPages really shines. You can add call to action buttons that make signing up for the event a breeze for your visitors. One downside, though, is that if you're looking for deep customization or more advanced features, you might find the options a bit limited compared to other platforms. The fourth thing to consider when promoting an event is integrations. LeadPages integrates smoothly with tools like MailChimp, Zoom, and Google Analytics, which is great for tracking your registrations and managing your email campaigns. However, some users have mentioned that while it integrates well with basic tools, if you need advanced CRM integration or more options, the integration ecosystem might feel a little restrictive. Now, here's a crucial step: tracking and optimization. With LeadPages, you can set up A/B tests to see which landing pages perform better, but again, it's a bit basic. While this might be enough for small to medium-sized events, larger events might need more advanced analytics features. For those looking to get more data-driven insights, you might feel limited by the platform. And here's something that not many people talk about: pricing. LeadPages can get pretty pricey, especially when you want more advanced features like extra landing page templates or integrations. While it's affordable for smaller events, larger promotions might find it more cost-effective to look into alternatives that provide better value for similar features. Before I wrap up, let's talk alternatives. You're here to find the best way to promote your event, and while LeadPages is a solid choice, there are tools out there that might give you a better experience, especially for larger scale events. Platforms like ClickFunnels or ConvertKit may offer more flexibility and better tracking for your specific needs, especially if you're looking for something more robust. These tools might also give you a better long-term solution as your event promotion needs evolve. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the catch with LeadPages? Well, here's the thing. If you decide LeadPages is the best fit for you, we've got you covered. Through our link, you can get an exclusive extended free trial, something that isn't available anywhere else. But before you make a decision, make sure you check out the other options I just mentioned because they might just be a better fit for your event promotion goals. The best part? All of these alternatives also offer free trials, so you can test them out yourself and see which one works for your event. Don't miss out on the exclusive benefits available to our viewers. Click the link in the description below to claim your extended trial and explore the best options for promoting your event.